What happens with arrangements for your children following separation or divorce is, understandably, a question we're often asked. Relationship breakdown can be very difficult and distressing, especially when children are involved. There are a number of legal terms used to describe different arrangements. In this video, I'm going to explain more about the different terms, what they mean, and their implications. I'm Fiona Coates, a solicitor at Raeburn, Christie, Clark and Wallace. I hope that this information will help you better understand what to consider when agreeing childcare arrangements following the end of a relationship. In Scotland, when a relationship comes to an end, ideally both parents will be able to agree on arrangements for their children, and there will be no need to involve the court. But this is not always possible. If the parents cannot agree, the court can be asked to make a decision. In doing this, the court will focus on what is best for the children. When deciding on the most appropriate arrangements, the court can be asked to decide on the following issues: residence, and this is where the child or the children will live. It was previously known as custody. Parents can be granted shared residence, where the child or the children will live for an equal amount of time with each parent. Contact was previously known as access, and this is how and when each parent can see their children. The court can also be asked to make a decision about other matters which may affect a child, such as which school they will attend or whether or not they will be allowed to travel abroad. The court will also be interested to know whether or not the children themselves have a view on what the arrangements should be. While it is well known that parents have to support their children financially, an often little known fact is that parents are also responsible for financial provision for their children if they are over the age of 18 and in full-time education or training, for example at college or university, until the age of 25. It is therefore important that you seek legal advice in the event of a relationship breaking down to ensure that both you and your ex-partner are aware of your parental responsibilities and can share them fairly. I hope that this has been useful to you, and to find out more about making arrangements for your children following a separation, you might find some of the other videos in this series helpful. To start a conversation with myself or another one of our knowledgeable and friendly solicitors, follow the link in the description below to fill out a contact form, and we will call you back to discuss your particular requirements.